Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create multiple Pinterest pins in bulk using images in Canva. For that, first of all, you need to come at canva.com and then log in into your account. Once this step is done, on your Canva dashboard, simply click on the create option, then click on the customize size option. Over here, you need to provide these resolutions that are width 1000 pixels and the height would be 1500 pixels. Once you have added that, simply click on the create new design option and you will see this type of Canva template in front of you. Now over here you can design a reusable template with your brand fonts, colors and text placeholder for your titles. Now once your design is ready, you can just click on this plus icon in order to add more pages. But in order to add any pre-made templates, simply click on the design option, and from the templates section you can select any of the Pinterest pin designs. Let's say I want to add this one. So after adding it, if you want to add a new page, simply click on the add page option, then click on the add page option again, and here you will have to basically create 10 to 20 pages or as many as you need. So this saves time and keep your layout consistent. Afterwards, you need to click on the upload option in the bottom, and from your web browser you will have to upload that particular uh, video which you want to add over here. So you can even add any images. So if you want to add the image that is already in the Canva, you will have to click on the elements option, then click on the this section where you can provide the name of the images. Then you will see a bunch of different images which you can just drag and drop in your layout, just like this one. So now you will have to keep on adding the images, basically keep on changing the images in each and every pin. So once this step is done, you can adjust the titles, call to action or URL in each of these if it is needed. Keep the format the same and just change the message for each pin to match the images or the blog post. So once you are done with this, you will have to click on the share option in the top right hand corner and then click on the download option. Over here you can download the full zip file in the PNG format. Simply click on the download option and it will be in your desktop. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.